Right then, let's have a look in room 102. Now this room's closed because they're renovating the pool at the minute. And this overlooks the pool. Everything's covered up, it's not made up. That's when I was looking for our room and I couldn't find it. There's mozzies everywhere, and they are vicious, man. So this is room 102. It's pretty much the same layout as our room. I don't think it's any different. Big shower with an outdoor area. Well, the hotel manager was saying that once the pool's renovated, he reckons this is the best room to stay in, especially if you like the sun. The sun's on this room all day. There's a loo. Massive bath. Ah, the pool. It's lovely. Views, you just cannot knock the views at all. They are spectacular. Here's the problem. They're renovating the main pool area. Can't see anyone working on it at the minute, but they're working on that thing really late at night. We've passed it at 11 PM and they're still working. Look at that. This is just paradise. Nice terrace over there. I think he's probably right. This is the best view. Once that pool's finished, this place will be stunning. And all day sun. Yeah, this is nice.